Craving a delightful dessert but don't have an oven? Fear not. You can whip up an instant cake that is both delicious and simple, using just a few basic ingredients and a stovetop. This no-bake cake shines in its versatility, allowing you to cater to your taste preferences and dietary needs. Start by gathering your ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, butter, and your flavor of choice, whether it's cocoa powder for a chocolate twist or vanilla extract for a classic touch. In a mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, and baking powder, into a dry blend that creates a strong base for your cake. Next, melt some butter in a saucepan over low heat. Allow it to cool slightly before adding the milk, mixing in your flavoring. Gradually pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients, stirring gently to create a smooth batter. Take a moment to admire the glossy texture before preparing your cooking vessel. Grease a pan that can fit on your stovetop, preferably a non-stick one, to ensure an easy release after cooking. Pour in your batter, smoothing out the top with a spatula. Now it's time to introduce your cake to the heat. Place a lid over the pan to create a steamy environment, allowing your cake to bake on low heat. Cook for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, checking occasionally for doneness. You can test this by inserting a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. The aroma wafting through your kitchen will be an enticing prelude to the treat awaiting you. Once the cake is done, remove it from the stovetop and let it cool for a few moments. This waiting period builds anticipation. Carefully take off the lid, revealing a beautifully risen cake. If you like, dust it with powdered sugar or drizzle melted chocolate over the top to enhance its presentation. Slice your instant cake into generous portions, sharing the joy with family and friends. The beauty of this recipe lies not only in its simplicity, but also in its adaptability. Feel free to add fruits, nuts, or even a layer of cream or icing for that extra indulgence. Enjoy your irresistible oven-free masterpiece.